In this lecture, I'm going to talk about the bidding strategies which are being used on Google Ads campaign and which is the best bidding strategy you can use with your Google Ads campaign. Now let's get started. This is the regular dashboard of your Google Ads account. In order to see your bidding strategies, you just have to select your campaign over here, and there is a setting mark over here. Simply select over this. Once you select this, you can see, if you scroll below, you can see your bidding strategy over here. The current bidding strategy is maximize click over here. Once you click on it, you can see over here your bidding strategy. You can simply select the change bidding strategy. You may see over here multiple options. The best thing is you can see over here select a bidding strategy directly not recommended. I'm just selecting this to show you majority of the bidding strategies. The number one is the maximize clicks. This is an ideal strategy where Google gets as much click as possible within your budget. Actually, ideally, this is a recommended strategy for new campaigns, because your campaign do not have any data, and in order to run and get the maximum results out of your campaign, you need to run at maximize clicks, get some conversions, so Google can see what kind of audience or what kind of people are converting well for you. The setting strategy is maximize conversions, where the goal is to get as much as possible conversions as possible. Now, with the maximize conversion, you can run out, but if you ask me, this is not a good strategy to run for your new campaigns, so it's a clear cut no for new campaigns. However, when you get some conversions, when you get some sales, when you get some leads, you can run it and maximize it. However, there may be a time when you see that the maximize conversion is not working well, and then you may eventually have to go back to maximize clicks or other campaign settings to get some clicks and then move on to maximize conversions. So you can see that this is a continuous process and may require work from you all of the time. The third is maximize conversions value. Ideally, the maximized conversion value is good for e-commerce stores when you are trying to promote multiple products, multiple stores, and you have different margins for each product, and you have a different profit ratio. So for that, the maximized conversion value is the preferred option. And the target impression share is for those who are actually concerned to show your ad on top of the page or absolute top of the page. What happens with maximum target impression share is that if I click on it, you're going to see that where do you want your ads to appear. I can select three options: anywhere on the result page, top of result page, or absolute top of result page. So for people who think that their ad only works on top of the result page or absolute top of result page, they can opt for either of those options. However, keep in mind that the target impression share may take time to get your ad approved, and it's going to be extremely expensive. So you need to work on your quality score, relevancy, and CTR to match on it. But I have seen good results for many of the clients with target impression share as well. Now, this may vary according to case and client to client. Now, the last bidding strategy over here is manual CPC. With manual CPC, what happens is that you're going to select individual CPC for each keyword, each cost. However, this is not an ideal strategy to run. Years back, this was a very good strategy, but this is not a strategy as good as it was years used to be. So you can see over here, I'm going to save over here, and I'm going to show you as maximize clicks over here. Now, if I'm going to select the change bidding strategy, and if I select over here as being shown over here, the same being shown over here, conversions, maximize conversion strategy, conversion value, clicks, or impression, I can see over here all of the bidding strategies. So if you ask me which one is the best bidding strategy, in my opinion, for new campaigns, the maximize clicks is a very good strategy, which may be later on changed to maximize conversions or maximize conversions value. Now there is another bidding strategy which I'm going to show you now, which is when you click on maximize clicks, select the maximize conversion value, and that is selecting the target return on ad spend, where you're going to set target ROIs. There is another option as well, where you can set the target CPA, TCPA. However, these strategies works well on existing already running campaigns when you tend to see good results, good conversions, and when you are trying to optimize a conversion, there is not a bad idea to trying on target ROS or TCPA bidding strategies. So as far as the target impression strategy is concerned, that is also recommended, that is also needed to be tried. Keep in mind that as a marketer, you need to try everything. However, there were a few things as a cautions which I told you, but the target impression is not for everyone. That is only for optimized highly end people or for their or for those situations when the ad position plays a huge role. The ad position role plays a huge role in those scenarios where you need to understand the consumer bidding, consumer mind perspective changes with respect to ad positions, because sometimes you think that the number one is the top brand, number second is an average brand, and you think that your brand lies in the average brand position, or if you think that your brand only lies in a top spot, then you have to work around with target impression share. So yeah, I hope you like the bidding strategies lecture, and yeah, if you have questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you like it. In case if you need me or my team services in Google Ads setup, audit or optimization, you can hire us through the link in the description. Just to let you know that I run a Google partner company, and I have a team of dedicated professionals along with me who can help you in optimizing your campaign. So if your Google Ads campaign is not working, or in case if you want to develop sales on through Google Ads, do hire us through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye. And lastly, do subscribe to our channel as well. Take care and bye bye.